What's up YouTube? Welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to tie two ropes together using the double fisherman's bend, also known as a double uni knot. So it slides together just like this, and these are not coming undone. So let's jump straight into the tutorial. Alright, the double fisherman's is a very easy knot, but it can get confusing if you don't know what you're doing, so I'm going to do it step by step. Basically, it's a mirror of each other, so what you do on the top, you're going to do on the bottom. It starts by taking your ropes and lining them up likewise. Then we're going to make two loops just like this. So we're going to one on either side. This is just because what we're going to do there, we're going to do here. We're going to start on the white here so it's easier to see. Basically, the double fisherman comes around twice, 2 rotations, and back through your loop. And then we just mirror that, and that's it. So I'll show you what I mean. We're going to take this rope here, take the end, we're going to go 2 times around and back through. So I'm going to come under once, okay, under twice, all right. And then that was around both ropes, by the way. And then we're going to come back through this loop here. So I'm going to come on top, through, pull the white here, and pull the white here, just like this. All right, and that makes our first bend. Now I'm going to repeat on the other side, and then you'll see how they can join in the middle. All right, I came here to the blue side, and now we're just going to mirror what we did on the white. So it starts the same way with this curve, and then 2 full rotations around. Just make sure that you don't get it mixed up like this, and start kind of wrapping over. You just want them in line with each other. Otherwise, it's going to kind of screw it up. So we're going to go around. And remember, when you wrap around, you're going to wrap away. So I'm not going to wrap once and then twice again on the inside. I'm going to wrap once here. We're going to go once around and then again to the outside. So I'm going to wrap again to the outside, just like that, and then back through over this and through my loop here. Okay, we're going to pull, just pull here, and then pull tight. Okay. So there is our second bend. Now, you're going to say there's 2 here and they're so separated. Well, all you do is you really just pull each of these ends, not the tag ends, the main lines here. So I'm going to pull, and as you're going to see, they're going to converge in the middle. And the harder you pull, the tighter they get. Now, in my honest opinion, this isn't going to come undone, and the harder you pull, it's going to make it very hard to come undone. Usually I would call this a double uni knot. I would put a couple extra wraps, and I would use it with 2 types of fishing line, maybe braid to monofilament if I'm fishing for maybe walleye or something, but for a rope, 2 is sufficient, and I would suggest using 2 ropes of similar diameters. Thanks for watching this tutorial, and we'll see you in the next one.